In the components of digital image and video processing, so we have here total images which we have to remember here, and each nine things have different processes. So first, before going, we just have to tell what these components do. So several key components are there which work together for capturing, analyzing, and displaying the digital images. These components are categorized into two parts, that is hardware and software. So hardware, pure software. Hardware in the sense you can, one common example is printer, which gives you a hard copy. Nothing but software applications for enhancement and all those things. So it all plays a crucial role in everything in the overall functions of the system below. So now first is image sensors is nothing but it converts the see whatever the energy is emitted by the object or the reflected by the object, it is converted to what to say, electrical signal. Simple thing, right? So energy into electrical signals. Two types of image sensors, that is charge coupled devices and a complemental oxide metal oxide semiconductor. So CCD is what digital cameras and video cameras for high quality image capture. CMOS is used because it is popular for low power consumption. Digitizers, see again, energy into energy emitted by the signals into electric signal. Okay, this converts the energy into electrical signal. Digitizer is nothing but converts the analog signals produced by image sensors to digital sense data. So now analog signals, so electric signals are there, right? From the image sensor, I get the electric signal that is now converted into digital data by these digitizers. It can be processed in a computer. Okay, then the process involves sampling the continuous data and containing it into values, resulting in digital representation of an image. Then specified image processor. So you don't have to write much for digitizers. You can simply say why it is used, what it converts to. Then we have specialized image processing hardware, nothing but ALU and GPU. ALU is nothing but for performing arithmetic and operations for entire image, and in the sense averaging for noise reduction. Then GPU is nothing but handling intensive operation, nothing but wherever the high quality resolutions of pictures are there, those are being handled by GPU in your games and all. So here applications involves deep learning and large scale image processing. See, large scale image, and it is not only used in also in video processing. General purpose computer is nothing but central CPU for image processing. Normal computers are the CPU for image processing. It can be a PC or a supercomputer, depending on what task you're working on. Nothing but it runs image processing software, manages data storage, and interfaces with other components. And these computers are for running the software, image processing software. See, these processes are run through what general computers. Now, description nothing but software packages. These are software nothing but applications for image processing tasks. It includes modules which vary from different functions like filtering, enhancement, segmentation, and classification. User concerns what users can specify their own code, whatever they want. Each module specifically they can use whenever they desire or whatever they desire. Examples here is nothing but MATLAB, OpenCV. See here, user customization, flexibility, and functionality. Nothing but sorry for this to say cut in the middle. Just recording has stopped. Master is essential for storing and handling the images large for wherever the high resolution images are used. Three types of short term, online, and archival. Short term storage nothing but which you have used in your phone normally RAM or frame buffers, which will be delete also. It is there in the bin and all that. All this in the short term. Online nothing but which is stored in magnetic and optical media. Both online and archival storage. This two uses what to say both the same storage medium, that is the magnetic and optical media. Difference is what archival is what where you have frequently access data, like where you use rarely, but in online where you recall, like where you need to access data. Image display is nothing but TVs and all those, how where you visualize the image. Some cases may require specialized display, that is stereo display for 3D vision. Hard copy device nothing but the printers, how they what to say give you hard copy results of the image. Here laser printer for high quality prints, inkjet printer for various film cameras for resolution photography and prints. Sometimes networking and cloud communication nothing but sharing the images from one system to another system. See, Sharing and transmission of the image data between systems, crucial for collaborative work and remote access. And sharing is nothing but you have to do from one person to one person. Accessing the images from web is also sharing and networking cloud. For remote access is nothing but that it's where you access the images from your phones from some servers. Consideration and bandwidth is a key factor in image transfer for large data sets. So bandwidth, how much bandwidth is there based on that transmission, like that much data is allowed. So conclusion, nothing but work in concert to enable processing, analysis, and display of images. Understanding this concept is very essential for in the field of digital image processing. Form the foundation for developing and implementing effective image processing solutions. Key points I have just highlighted the important things. You can just see here, and here are the two questions which can be asked: one 5 marks and one 10 marks.